If you want to disable Chrome automatic updates on Windows, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the safest way to do it. Just a quick reminder, turning off updates can leave your browser less secure over time, so only do this if you really need to, such as for troubleshooting, testing, or a managed setup. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Now let's get started. First, completely close Google Chrome. Make sure every Chrome window is shut down because you do not want update services running while you make these changes. Once Chrome is fully closed, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the box, type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the Windows Services window where you can control background services running on your computer. Now scroll through the list and look for the Google Update services. You should find Google Updater Internal Service and Google Updater Service. These are the services that help Chrome check for and install updates automatically. To disable each one, right-click the service name and choose Properties. In the Properties window, find the Startup Type dropdown. Click it and change it to Disabled. Then click Stop to immediately stop the service if it is currently running. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Repeat the same steps for both Google Update services. Take your time here and make sure both services are fully disabled because leaving even one active can allow update checks to continue in the background. Next, we need to disable the scheduled update tasks. Press Windows +S to open Search, type Task Scheduler, and open it. When Task Scheduler launches, click Task Scheduler Library in the left panel. This is where Windows keeps scheduled jobs that run automatically in the background. Look for tasks with names like Google Update Task User S or other Google Update related entries. Right-click each task you find and select Disable. This stops the system from launching update checks on a schedule. Again, if you see multiple Google Update tasks, disable each one individually so Chrome does not re-enable itself later through a scheduled job. Once you have finished disabling the services and the tasks, the final step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, choose Power, and then click Restart. Restarting is important because it helps Windows apply the service changes properly and clears anything that may still be active in memory. After your PC turns back on, Chrome automatic updates should be disabled based on the steps you completed. At this point, you can open Chrome and verify that it launches normally, but keep in mind that it will no longer be checking for updates the same way it did before. If you ever want to turn updates back on, you can simply go back into Services and Task Scheduler and re-enable the Google Update entries. That gives you full control whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and practical Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.